Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lisa from BBC News US. Today, we are convening a crucial discussion on climate action with representatives from various sectors. I invite each participant to introduce themselves and share their perspective, starting with the Solar Solutions, Tesla, Greenpeace, and the United States Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA.
Thank you, Lisa. As a representative of Solar Tech Solutions, we are committed to advancing sustainable energy solutions. Our focus is on reducing carbon emissions and promoting environmentally friendly practices within our industry. We look forward to contributing to today's discussions on effective policy measures.
Thank you for having me. I'm Elon Musk, representing Tesla. Tesla is dedicated to pioneering innovations in renewable energy and electric vehicles. Our goal is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through technological advancements and practical solutions.
Greetings everyone, I'm Hasti from Greenpeace International. We advocate for environmental conservation and sustainable development. Today, we emphasize the critical need for immediate action to mitigate the impact of carbon emission on our planet's ecosystems and communities.
Good afternoon, everyone. As a representative from United States Environmental Protection Agency, our agency is committed to implementing policies that promote environmental sustainability and combat climate change on a national scale. We also look forward to collaborative discussions on these pressing issues.
As many of us are aware, global temperatures have reached a record height, surpassing the critical threshold of 1.5 degrees Celsius. This continuous rise in global temperatures poses severe risks such as extreme heat waves, sea level rise, and endangerment of wildlife. Rising sea level threatens the habitats of developing nations and small islands. Now, I invite Greenpeace to address the environmental and societal impact of carbon emissions.
Thank you, Lisa. Greenpeace is deeply concerned about the climate impact caused by carbon emissions. Global warming threatens ecosystems worldwide, leading to droughts, food insecurity, and public health crises due to poor air quality. Rapid climate change also jeopardizes numerous species. Therefore, we use corporations to prioritize eco-friendly practice. Furthermore, government must enforce policies to curb carbon emissions and hold violation accountable. Sustainability initiatives must take precedence, enhance our quality of life, protect ecosystems, and preserve natural resources for future generations.
Thank you, Greenpeace, for your insightful perspective. Now, let's hear from our expert on recommendation for reducing this carbon emission.
Certainly. Thank you, Lisa. We support Greenpeace's call for global awareness and actions to reduce emissions for a healthier planet. To address this, we recommend leveraging renewable energy technologies such as solar and wind power. Additionally, we propose developing eco-friendly transportation infrastructures such as community-based bus and rail services.
Thank you for that comprehensive overview of the environmental impacts of carbon emission. Now, we turn to the corporate sector. Do you agree to invest in more environmentally friendly industry and products? Producing eco-friendly products requires advanced technologies and higher costs. We are eager to hear your thoughts from Solar Tech Solutions.
Okay, thank you, Lisa, for your questions. Solar Tech Solutions is committed to combating climate change and encouraging the adoption of renewable energy. We believe that investing in green industries and products is not only a moral responsibility, but also a significant business opportunity.
Thank you. But can you explain more detail about this business opportunity?
Of course. The demand for green products and services continues to increase as people become more aware of the environmental impacts of carbon emissions. This opens up great opportunities for companies that can offer innovative and cost-effective solutions. Support from the government is very important to encourage investment in environmentally friendly industries. The support can take the form of tax incentives, subsidies, and research and development programs.
Okay, now let's hear how does the government respond to this request.
Thank you, Lisa. The government understands the importance of encouraging investment in green industries. We are also committed to creating a conducive environment for such investment. We will provide corporate tax deduction for investment in research and development of renewable energy technologies and environmentally friendly products. We will also allocate funds for public-private joint research and development programs to develop more efficient and affordable renewable energy technologies.
If I may add, we from Greenpeace actually have some concern about the pace of implementation. It is without the further delay that we must address to the act about the suppressing of global temperature. How does the government plan to meet these commits under the agreement?
I understand your concerns. Our government is committed to accelerate our efforts in addressing this problem. We pledge to implement better and stricter regulations on emissions. Furthermore, we are working to improve transparency in our reporting processes, so I can assure you we meet our commitments effectively.
Very well. We have reached a consensus from this meeting. Participants agreed that multi-stakeholder collaboration is crucial to realizing the vision of renewable energy. Here are some key points of agreement. First, the government will implement policies that support the adoption of renewable energy technologies, including effective regulation to encourage innovation and providing fiscal incentives for companies transitioning to clean energy. Second, Greenpeace will collaborate with companies to advocate for the use of renewable energy and community development in voicing the importance of environmental sustainability. Third, Elon Musk, representative of the expert, recommends incentives for the widespread adoption of the technology like Powerball and AI-based energy management system. He also proposed collaboration with Greenpeace and other companies to maximize the outcomes of research and implementation of renewable energy. 4. Solar Tech Solution, representing the corporate sector, commits to combating climate change and will invest in green industry and products. Lastly, the media outlets will continue to provide clear and insightful information about the challenge of climate change and educate the public about renewable energy solutions. Okay, I think we can wrap this up. Thank you for everyone and have a good day.